All right, guys, Mr. Blue back with you. T10C Tactical. Got a few custom guns to show you. First up, we have a CZ P10C. When I received this frame, the guy sent it to me and it had a stipple job on it that was bad, to say the least. I'll cut you in a picture here to show you what it looked like. So yeah, it is bad. So here's what we're looking at. It now has a skid stippling pattern. My wife likes to call this pattern brains because that's what she thinks it looks like. So you kind of get the idea there. HD border, totally custom. Finger indexes on both sides, all the way around to a nice sharp point. Boom. Next one. All right, this is a polymer 80 Glock frame, Glock 17, nice full-size gun. All right, you're looking at thumb ledges on either side. Those come factory, and I have to modify them just slightly to get the stippling to work. All right, this is actually, I use polymer 80's laid out borders. I throw my HD border on it, but I kind of follow those lines. In case some of y'all are wondering what my battle ready border looks like, it's like this. It has these nice sharp points on it. You'll notice as I roll the gun around, you'll notice, man, some of that stippling looks dirty and black. All right, that's caused by imperfections in the polymer, and as it gets stippled, that black comes out of the plastic and burns itself back in. The good news is, most of the time that with use, if you're somebody that uses your gun, carries it, shoots it, all that stuff will come out. There you go, guys. T10C Customs. Send us your frame, send us your AR, custom Cerakote, custom stippling. Check us out. Appreciate it.